Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial we're going to discuss that how you can monetize or how you can earn money from your WordPress website, right? So if you have a WordPress website and you want to make money out of it, how you can earn money. So basically let me go here, and here is the thing that we're going to use to make money. It's basically Adsense. Google Adsense is basically Google's service where you sign up your website into Google Adsense, and what they do is they place adverts on your website, and through those adverts, what happens is basically you get paid when people see those ads on your website. So let me show you that this is demo WordPress website, right? And this is the Google Adsense. So what you need to do is you need to if you don't have an account, you're gonna click get started, and then get started. Basically you will have a Google account, and it's just gonna say that now you can use AdSense with it. So we'll click on sign in because I already have. So this is the same AdSense. This can be the same AdSense account as your YouTube, for your YouTube. So you can use this same as it is for your websites too. So what's basically the process is, what you're gonna do is you're gonna add your website. Your website must have a link. Basically the website link that through which you access the website, you gotta know that. And once you know that, what's gonna happen is basically you need to copy that. Again, this is a demo website, right? So you gotta copy the link, and then if I go to my dashboard, and then you gotta go to your Google AdSense, and after that, what you need to do is you need to go to sites, right? And here you're gonna add the website here, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna paste the URL here. Again, it's a demo website, so once you click on save and continue, it's going to go with the process, and it's going to say like, okay, this is the publisher ID. Then you're going to say that I've pasted the publisher ID set up on WordPress, right? So you're going to copy this, and you're going to say request review. So basically what you need to do is, where are you going to get this publisher ID, where you're going to paste it? So for that, what you need to do is basically go here in the website. What you need to do is go here on the WordPress website and go to plugins. And here simply type in Google AdSense, right? Once you do that, there are going to be plenty of plugins going to load up, but you got to make sure that you are installing the one by Google. So what you need to do is you need to click here, but you need to remember that you can't do it on the free version of WordPress. For this, you would need the premium subscription, right? Or you need the subscription plan basically for this, and you gotta install this. And once you install this, you'll get the box where you're gonna enter the publisher ID that we had entered here. So right, so once you click on once you enter basically your URL here, and then you copy the we actually edited the website, right? So yeah, so once you do this, you're gonna click request review. So it's gonna basically, what's gonna happen is you're gonna add this, and then it's gonna go here, and then you're gonna click on set up ads. Once you click the publisher ID there, it's gonna say that, okay, this is your website, right? This is my website's coming soon. This is the thing. So you can say auto ads, and it's gonna say that what kind of ads. It's gonna aid the adverts here. Then you can say like in page, widescreen. You can set the preferences for the ads they're gonna say, and the loading, that when it's gonna load. And yeah, after that, once that's done, you're gonna say apply to site. But the problem is, you gotta remember that you gotta install the plugin first and enter the publisher ID, and after that you can basically apply the setting. And once you apply the setting, then you are good to go, and you can start earning money from your WordPress website. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.